I had to make a quick cut in the video because one of our lenders just dropped off a car, and as they were leaving, they hit the Kia Soul I just parked. Simple fix, I thought. Not so simple. So the Kia Soul has been hit, and now we're waiting on the adjustment to go through to find out exactly how much this damage is worth. And I can't wait to tell you guys about all the details that went into this accident and what this guy told me. So yeah, he was backing out the parking spot right over here with a van, and just backed right into the door right over here. As you can see, the dents and all that fun stuff right there now. Awesome, love to see it. So we're gonna have to get this whole door taken care of, and we're also gonna have to go all the way up to where the fender is to have it blended so it all matches paint wise. I guess moral of the story, if you're gonna hit a vehicle, do me a favor and not hit one of ours, because, you know, it costs money, and now this one's down. We can't sell it because now it has to go through body shop. We have to wait for the insurance adjuster to do the insurance settlement part of this, make sure we get our money's worth, that we can get the thing fixed. There's a whole lot of stuff that goes into this kind of thing, but you know, it is what it is. Now we got kind of a nice big paperweight sitting here until we can get it repaired, because we can't sell it like this, because now it's been in an accident, it has to be repaired before we can resell it. So as a little backstory, I was working on doing a walk around on the Kia Soul over here, and I had it parked, staged over here, all right, and I had some people show up to drop off a vehicle. I'm not going to name the company or anything, but as they were pulling out after dropping off their car to us, they were taking their vehicle back, and he backed right into it. Now, I was sitting over at the park bench, I'll show you in a second, and when that whole thing went down, I was yelled over him like, "Hey man, stop," you know, nothing. So when he gets out of the car, I told him, I was like, "Hey man, I don't know if you heard me or not, but I told you to stop." And he goes, "Well, we were in the middle of a conversation, you know, and I didn't hear any backup sensors." And I'm like, I wanted to ask him, but I didn't want to be rude about it at the time. I was like, "So you're going to tell me that the only reason why you do stop is if you hear a sensor go off? Like, you don't look in your rear view mirror? You have a backup camera and everything. Like, how do you not notice that you're right on this vehicle and you're in a minivan? Like, how do you not notice?" But, you know, it is what it is. But he told me that the only reason why he hit the car was because the sensors didn't go off in the middle of a conversation. So, yeah, parking lot, empty parking lot. There's not a single vehicle over here except for this Kia Soul that was parked dead center over here, and then my car, which is all the way over there. So that's cool. But then later on, he told me that, you know, he thought it was my vehicle. I'm like, that was going to make it any better. But, you know, it is what it is. But in lieu of all of this, at least I can say that the customer's going to be informed when they come and someone goes to buy this Kia Soul. They're going to see exactly what happened, which we have all the proof we need and everything's documented. So full transparency 100% of the time. So we're going to make sure that all of our people are taken care of, as always. Luckily for us, this is just one of those things that, to go through insurance, we're going to get our payout. We're going to be able to take this into the body shop, get it all taken care of. Luckily, we have one, so we can just do it in-house body shop, get everything done, and make sure it's all done correctly. That way, customers continue to be happy as always. But, yeah, I don't know how to go from here, but I'll keep you guys updated as this whole process moves along. And I'll show you guys the finished product so you guys can see exactly how it was done, what all went into it, and we'll kind of go from there. But it was a pleasure having you guys here with me. As always, have a good one.